Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this video, you will learn about the 10 important questions about instrumental comprehension. This is the practice lesson 4. I hope you guys already follow up the last previous 3 tutorial, and this will be the last one for this series, and I hope this will be better for you for the practice session, and you can assume the answer before given the option. So our first question is, if the artificial horizon shows the sky occupying most of the top half and the symbolic airplane is tilted to the left, what is the aircraft position? So you need to assume. So which one? First one is level flight, second one is right bank, third one is left bank, and fourth one is climbing turn. So here you can just see, show the sky occupying most of the top half and the symbolic airplane is steered to the left. So I think it's a left bank. So here you can see the answer is left bank. So here's the explanation is, the artificial horizon displays the aircraft's orientation relative to the earth horizon. The sky on top and ground on the bottom helps visualize the pitch. So the here the VSI position is 0. So the symbolic airplane in the center remains fixed while the background moves to show the aircraft attitude. So is the question number 2. The heading indicator shows 90-degree. What direction is the aircraft heading? So here north, east, south, west. So I think it's the south. Sorry, this is the east. So if the 0-degree, it means south, 90-degree means east, 180-degree means north, and 270-degree means west. So it's a east heading indicator. Here you can see the display aircraft current heading in degrees based on 360-degree compass. So here you can see the 90-degree is east, and okay, so here's the compass is little bit difficult to understand. So here 0-degree means north, 90-degree means east, 180-degree south, and here 270-degree is west. If the heading indicator shows 90-degree, the aircraft is heading east. So now the question number 3 is, the vertical speed indicator shows plus 1000 feet per minute. What is happening? So here option A, the aircraft is descending. Option B, aircraft is in level flight. The aircraft is climbing. Option D, the aircraft is banking left. So it's a 1000 feet per minute speed. So vertical speed indicator 1000 feet per minute. What is happening? So I think it's a climbing position. So the aircraft is climbing. Maybe option C will be the answer. So here's the answer, C. Option C will be the answer. The aircraft is climbing. The vertical speed indicator shows the rate of climbing and descent in feet per minute. So 1000 feet per minute reading means the aircraft is ascending at the rate of 1000 feet every minute. Question number 4. If the attitude indicator shows the miniature airplane below the horizon line and the horizon line is level, what does this indicate? Option A, level flight. Option B, climbing. Option C, descending. Option D, turning. So here's the horizon line is level. What is indicating? So miniature plane below the horizon. I think it's descending. So here's the answer is option C, descending. When the miniature airplane is below the horizon line on the attitude indicator, it means the aircraft nose is pitched down relative to the horizon, indicating a descent. If the horizon line remain level, the aircraft is descending in a straight. One of the things first I want to say, before watching this tutorial you should focus on the previous three, then you can answer before the given option. This is Here is some logical attribute I have already shown in my previous three tutorial. I hope this will be the fourth one, and here the description little bit difficult rather than the previous three. So I hope if you focus on the previous three, this will be beneficiary and helpful and make your confidence more. So now come to the fifth one. The turn coordinator shows in the standard rate turn to the right. The ball is centered. What does this indicate? So now the answer here, option A, a slapping right turn, option B, a skidding right turn, option C, a coordinated right turn, option D, a left turn. So here you can see turn coordinator shows a standard rate of turn to the right, so it means the aircraft is moving moving with the right turn. The ball is centered. What does it indicate? So I think it's option C, coordinated right turn. Already here you can see here the explanation. So it's a coordinated right turn, and here you can see the given explanation. Now question number 6. On the heading indicator, the aircraft is turning from 90 degree to 180 degree. So 90 degree to 180 degree means it's moving east to south. What direction is the plane turning? So now here's the option: left, right, level, climbing. I think it's a left turn. Yes, it's a left turn. No, it's a right turn. So here answer B, it's a right turn. If the aircraft is turning from 90 degree east to 180 degree south on the heading indicator, so it is turning in a clockwise direction. Okay, so if it turning with the anti-clockwise direction, so then it will left turn. So I have assumed that it's anti-clockwise turning, so that's why it's wrong. It was wrong for me. So here's the right turn, which mean a right turn. Here you can see clockwise direction, it means the right turn. So if the turn coordinator shows the right turn, but the in kilometer ball is to the left, what is happening? So slipping turn, skidding turn, coordinated turn, climbing right turn. It's a coordinated turn. No, it's a slipping turn. So let's start with the explanation. The turn coordinator shows a right turn. The inclinometer ball is to the left, meaning it's meaning centrifugal force is too strong. The aircraft is turning too quickly for the amount of bank. This is a skid, not a slip. So in a slipping turn, the ball would be on the same side as the turn, indicating not enough radar input for the bank. So the correct answer is slipping turn. So here the question number 8. The attitude indicator shows the nose of the aircraft above the horizon with a level wing line. What does this represent? So here nose of the aircraft is above the horizon with a level wing line. I think it's a climbing position, like you can assume the flight nose is above according to the horizon line, a level wing line. What does this represent? So level flight, climbing, descending, left turn. So you can guess not descending, not left turn, It's a level flight or climbing. So it's a climbing, cause it's the aircraft nose is above the horizon with a level wing line. So the answer is climbing. When the attitude indicator shows the nose of the aircraft above the horizon and the wing are level, it indicates the aircraft is in a climb without any bank, a straight climbing flight. So here the ninth one, the altimeter reads 6,500 feet and the VSI shows 0. What is the current state? So now let's see the option. Descending, climbing, level flight at 6,500 feet, rolling left. So VSI shows 0 means it's a level flight at 6,500 feet. I think so. Option C will be the right answer. Yes, option C will be the right answer. Sometimes guess will be wrong, but not difficult. You can, if you practice more, you can guess more correctly. And this is the last one. If the heading indicator reads 270, the attitude indicator shows a right bank, and the turn coordinator confirms a right turn. What is aircraft doing? So let's see the option: turning left to the north, turning right to the north, turning right to the west, turning right to the south. So here is the 270 degree means if you think about anti-clockwise, then it's right turn. Right turn means 270 to 180 degree. I think west to south. So here right to south, turning right to south. Maybe option D will be the right answer. So let's see. Yes, turning right to south. Heading indicator reads 270 degree. The aircraft is currently heading west. So attitude indicator shows the right bank. The aircraft is banked right. The turn coordinator confirm a right turn. The aircraft is actively turning right. So from a west heading, a right turn would bring the aircraft nose toward the south. Yes, 180 degrees. So our gaze is completely right. It's turning to 270 degree west to south 180 degree. So thus the aircraft is turning right to south. So thanks for watching this video. This is the last one for instrumental comprehension. If you like to join our private Facebook group, this is AIO competitive exam and powered by EduBird Bluebird. So you can join us. Feel free to enjoy our tutorial. See you again for the next upcoming tutorial.